All right, so I've got a tire with a nail in it. It's really hard to see. It's actually kind of rusted. But I'm gonna let the air pressure out. So, this would probably be the preferable tool here. I've got some diagonal. All right, got it. Stupid screw. Instructions. Just leave the hole out a little bit. Seems like I'm doing more damage. Try to get you a better visual here. Okay, great. Okay. All right. Wow. That was a task. Supposed to go in a hole, 2/3 of the way in. Ish. In a rapid motion, pull out. All right. Successful. We're supposed to cut the ends of them off. Like I said, I will definitely let you know if this works. I'll give it a few. I'm gonna pump her up. All right, so it says not to inflate more than 40 psi. So I'm gonna do 35, and we're gonna listen for air leaks. All right, so now it says to listen for air leaks. So far so good, and it says to use soapy water. Works well so far, no drop in pressure, no leaks, good to go.